Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create auto chat to audience timeline action using AStream. To start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you're logged in, we have to open the timeline we want to create the action for. Once that is open, you just have to click on Create Action from the upper right-hand side. And just a reminder that auto chat to audience action has to be set within the webinar time. So for this one, I'll be setting it a minute after the webinar has started. And we will be targeting registrants. From here, let's select a stream and then let's select auto chat to audience. You can type in the name that you want to show who the webinar is coming from. So for this example, I'll type in support. You can leave this blank. For the message, just you can type in a simple welcome message. And you can also add personalization values. You can click on the personalization icon here, and you can see the personalization values that you can add to your auto chat message. Or you can also add a smiley. So just click on the emoji icon and you can add a simple smiley. And once you're satisfied with everything, you just have to click on Create at the bottom. We have successfully added that action to your timeline. And that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, or leave a comment below so that you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.